How to remove best friends from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your best friends from Snapchat, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove best friends from Snapchat, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open Snapchat. If you come to your chat page and then you have a specific best friend, you'll most likely find an emoji icon right next to them. So for that you can just tap on your profile icon to find out and then go to your my friends section over here, and then once you go to my friends you'll be able to see the best friends that you have. Now in order to remove people from best friends, you first have to understand the algorithm, such as how they were added to your best friends list in the first place. Snapchat adds someone to your best friends list when you frequently exchange snaps with each other. So in order to remove them from your best friends list, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage. That is to simply stop exchanging snaps. So only when one of you is constantly reciprocating and the other one is not actually responding at all, then in that case Snapchat is going to notice that for a while and then remove that person from your best friends list. So there isn't a specific button as you see to actually remove the best friends list, but you have to use the algorithm and remove them from your best friends list in that way. So hope this video cleared the confusion on how you can remove best friends from Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.